What's up YouTube, GV Trades here again, up for another day. So November 3rd, 9:24. As you can see, I'm still in lockout. So basically, I locked myself out right at market open, around 6 p.m. That way I don't end up doing any stupid shit during Asia and London sessions anymore, and just stick to the NYAM session for now. So at this point, that's what I'm going to be doing every trading day. Anyways, I'm just going to be marking out my drawn liquidity for the day. For our gap, also this all-time highs, I guess. We'll see if we take the all-time highs somehow. So I got this equal, this gap as well. New week opening gap. So we do have a bunch of targets down here. We also have, one sec. London lows right here. I guess that's pretty much it. And then new week opening gap. So got a bunch of targets to the downside. And we're in the we're looking pretty bullish right now. Yeah, we're still in this 1 hour gap. We still got this previous week opening gap that still hasn't been filled, so we'll get into that hopefully this week or something. Okay, 15 minutes, another 15 minutes right here. So I gotta just make it one something, I guess. Yeah, let's make the whole thing one here instead of putting so many boxes. We're also still in this 15-minute gap. This one too. So I definitely want to see some target to the downside. So yeah, whatever we displace that's where I'm going to be entering. I guess we can go on ES. Just take a look. Yeah, just London lows and new week opening gap. As you can see, I also put in a daily loss limit. So if I do hit this, if I do lose today, it's just going to lock me out for the rest of the day. I guess I'll just get rid of these. It's almost market open. For hours. Nothing. Nothing on the 1 hour. And we already took the new week opening gap on the 1 hour. So I guess that's an S&T as well. But we still haven't taken London lows here. Yeah. All-time highs are pretty far away for ES. Okay, anyways. Actually, I forgot. Forgot to do this instead. That's what I was trying to do. Seems like we're gonna be taking. What's this anyway? Oh, I don't know what this is. I don't know why. No, whatever. That's so stupid. I mean, there's already an SMT right here. So we'll see if we do somehow go lower. We do have a bunch of liquidity down here. I guess we... I really... Never mind, forget about that. Yeah. 9:30 open. See what we get. Might take a previous daily high or something, or no? Maybe not. Got a lot of boxes, man. If you get a retracement, I can target this right here. Because as you can see, yes, it's not looking very correlated right now. Yes, it's trying to dump, while NQ is trying to push back up. What is this thing, bro? How come I got this line? What the hell is this line? I guess a new graph. See, NQ is pushing up, BS is dumping, so I don't know. I don't like what I'm seeing right now. See what I mean? So they're pretty uncorrelated right now. So this one I'm not sure where it's gonna go. I might enter shorts here if we do inverse this other gap here. Target these lows. I guess you can say that we're respecting this 50-minute gap. How bad would that be? There. That crazy, bro.
Order filled.
Where is it? Should I go one more?
Order filled.
500? Just target these guys here. I'll go break even here. If we do take this low. Or there something? Somehow. Should probably put my stop here, I guess. Keep it here, safety. Just go all the way down here. It's just a bunch of liquidity. That's too much. A 1 to 2 is a good area. We inverse this, we made a gap. We got this 5-minute gap here. Or is it a 15-minute gap? Yeah, it's a 15-minute gap. Nah, I got a 500 only. So in that area. So yeah, I'll go break even right here. TP right here. So we'll see. Gotta charge my phone. Probably target London lows, I guess. It's 200 points though, which is kind of crazy. Because technically, what do we have down here? These lows here. Okay. So it's a strong 5-minute close right here, hopefully. A couple more seconds. Or I should probably just stick with the 1 to 2. But hey, we'll see what happens. Because I'll go break even here anyway. Or maybe here. I'll go break even right here. And we may get a made an SMT. Haven't taken these lows. ES already took it. But as you can see, ES is still dumping. And NQ is actually correlating right now with the way ES is dumping. So it's looking good for now. Get a retrace it. So if we do get a 15-minute close here, that would be good. Because we're basically going to be respecting this 15-minute gap. As you can see, let me get rid of this inverse. That's the it's a 5-minute or 15-minute, whichever. Or maybe you can go break even if it's a 1 to 1 already. Around here, I guess. Nah. Break even here. That's the plan. I'm not gonna change the plan. No. Make any significant gaps here? 3-minute gap. What about 5 minutes? 2 more minutes. What do you get? Oh, look at that, 15-minute close here. Inverse, inverse. Basically inverse two of them. This big gap here. So we'll see if we get a retracement or whatever. Respected this gap. Inverse this gap. Something holding us here. Hey, SMT right here. We'll see if we disrespect it. Or what? Oh. So we got this 5-minute gap. Alright. See if we will trace into it or something. Yes, we got one more gap to inverse here. I think we're gonna go break even if we do inverse this, because we're gonna go here if we do inverse this gap. And then okay, we inversed it. gonna hopefully just flush down at this point, you know, so I can go break even. No, I guess I might as well go break even. It's a 1-to-1. Or nah, I wanna go break even here. So that's the 4-hour gap. No, actually that's not a 4-hour gap. That's a 1-hour gap. Yeah, and then the 1-hour gap here too. Then London lows, just right here. Yep, I just go break even. So risk-free trade. Put it maybe somewhere here. So $4. If we do get to this midpoint here, I'll go trail my stop to the $500 mark, which is the 1-to-1. Cause I'll put my shit down here. Then 1-to-1 is right here. But you know, this is my TP anyway, 1-to-2. If we get a strong closure here, I'll go for the trail. I'll trail my stop loss right here, because we're pretty close to taking London lows, and then, you know, I should have probably just trail it here. So it's a 1-to-1 right there. 500. I'll trail it. It's 1-to-1. So final TP right here, if we don't get stopped out. 80.75. Is that 1-to-1? Yeah. It's not. Right there. It's not 1-to-1. 1.02. Okay. I mean, we basically secured the winning day by this point, but you know, we'll see if we do get a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2. Doesn't matter. I forgot it. It's probably not hearing anything. Alright, should be good. Because we're going to be making an S&T with London lows. That's why I'm trailing my stop. It's ES is so close to taking London lows, and we're so far away from taking anything. We only took this 1-hour gap, and we also have this other 1-hour gap here. So I'm trying to play it safe. At least we're gonna be in profit if we do get stopped out, so it doesn't matter if we do get stopped out. 5 minutes away from news. We do have news today. It's a Monday PMI, I believe. Yeah, 10 o'clock. So we'll see. 5 more minutes. Just dumping. Look at that. There's no retracements at all. On the 1 minute, there's this little retracements. It took London lows, so definitely an SMT. If they do disrespect the SMT, we're probably gonna keep just keep dumping at this point. And we have London, sorry, not London. Previous daily low right here, I believe. Yeah. So. And for NQ, just going down, a little bit of range down. Yeah, I'm not gonna move my stop now. Keep it right here. Like I said, SMT. But we'll see. Any 5-minute gaps on that decimal. Sky, I mean, if we don't, just keep dumping and we'll see. So I got 2 more minutes before news, so we'll see if we get stopped out before that or we just keep. We'll see. I mean, I don't really know where it looks like ES is just gonna keep dumping. So as long as NQ follows ES, we'll be fine. Or as long as we don't hit the trailed stop here. Maybe news can bring us all the way down here. Or all the way back up. But who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? 1 more minute, so it's probably gonna get a little more volatile now since news is coming up. That's what usually happens. See? Got 30 seconds. Let's see what happens here. Let's see yes too. Here you go. 20 seconds. I feel like we're gonna go wick up higher and then go down. 5 seconds. Where are we gonna go? Down, higher? down, up and down. Look at that. It's like up and down, up and down. I guess they can target these guys, whoever hasn't entered the trade. Looks pretty weak though. What the hell's going on? What is it? PMI. What does that mean? A red? Does that mean we're gonna go down because it's red? I know if it's red, it's usually, you know, a bearish indicator for the US dollar. But I don't really know how it affects, you know, the futures market and stuff, so no idea. So we'll see if we keep dumping to my TP here. Might as well. I don't know. I'll keep it at 500. Or maybe here. Ish. The data high? Yeah, data high. The other little guy got taken. This is technically 1 to 2, so I mean, I might as well. I should just let it be.
Order filled.
Alright, so basically 1 to 2 here. $2.5 if I let it run, but I don't want to get too greedy. 1 to 2 is enough for me. So that's it. So how long did it take? Because we entered at 9:35, so about 25 minutes. It's not bad. Faster than usual. So yeah, I'm gonna be locking out my account. Like I said, I'm only gonna trade NY session. Fuck Asia, because I don't know how to trade Asia, and you know, fuck London, because I don't know how to trade London. I need to get better in one session first before I try, you know, try different sessions, because I know I'll get cooked. But anyways, yeah, that's the trade for the day, fellas. Have a good day. I'll post it in a few minutes. It's probably gonna take a while since it's almost an hour, this video, so. But yeah, good day, I guess. Peace out.